Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Klaviyo flows for abandoned carts, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Klaviyo flows for abandoned carts, begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the flows section in the left-hand menu. Locate the abandoned cart flow you want to update. Click on the flow to open it. Review the existing triggers for the flow. Check the timing of the abandoned cart trigger. Consider whether to adjust the time delay for sending reminders. Explore the messages currently included in the flow. Evaluate if the content of these messages is still relevant. Modify the text to better align with your brand voice. Add or update any dynamic information, like product images or pricing. Incorporate any new offers or promotions you wish to highlight. Make sure to personalize the message where possible. Next, review the conditions set in your flow. Ensure they accurately reflect your target audience and their behaviors. Test the flow to verify all links and images are functioning correctly. Consider adding a follow-up email for users who still haven't completed their purchase. Finally, save your changes and activate the updated flow. Monitor the performance of your updated flow regularly. Adjust as necessary based on customer interaction and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.